So this one had like a little bumpity bump on the side, girl. You know, I didn't have to really do too much, but just curve it. Look at her, she's straight out the box. I didn't do anything. But she also has the standard black elastic band that's sewn in, the adjustable strap and comb, and she's also been pre-bleached for you. There are options on the website where you can go ahead and choose lightly bleached, deep bleached, clean hairline. You can choose those options on their website.